external soundboard slash voice changer switch, test 1. Just like I did with the repulsors, I'm going to hook up this switch on the outside of the Iron Man suit on one of the shoulders so that I can manually turn off and on the voice changer and soundboard, because as of before it has no switch. So this one switch will not only turn on and off the board, but it will turn on and off the amplifier for the speaker. Alright, let's power it up.
Will that be on, Mr. Stark?
Cat will be on response. Guys, I'm bringing the party to you. And then the voice changer still works. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. End of external soundboard slash voice changer switch. Test 1.